Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm happy to be back here today. I welcome all of you to Lasogenic BIZZTALK. Alright, in today's video, I'll be talking on how to start making money online with Huge. So, with Huge platform, you can make money online. I want to tell you confidently that there are several ways whereby you can make money online, and you can turn your phone to a money making machine. But before you can do this, you just need some financial education. You need some information. And as we all know that information leads to transformation. So that is what Lasogenic BIZZTALK is saddled with, to give you financial education so that you can be informed about things to do online to fetch you money on daily basis. So here is another opportunity that I'm going to share with you. So what you just need to do is to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full grasp of the information that you're about to hear now. Alright, but before I move further, what I would like you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this wonderful channel called Lasogenic BIZZTALK. Alright, Lasogenic BIZZTALK is created with my online ideas how to make money online, how to be financially very secured and settled. And also here I review online investment platform and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision, because here we only give you financial education and not financial advice. For that reason, you are also expected to do your own due diligence and research before you venture into any of the online business being shared here. Okay, and also just have it in mind that you need to diversify. So don't be carried away by any of the investment that is still paying, because all the investment platform, they are all genuine, but their duration is what can't be predicted. So you just need to be very, very smart. You need to be very, very wise, and you should be less greedy whenever it comes to online investment platform. All right, so there are several content that has been done here, so you can just take your time to browse through the channel. There are several videos, and if you have any question, then you can feel free to chat me up through my WhatsApp contacts here. If you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please, I want you to subscribe now and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next update, for you not to miss up on any of the contents that will be shared here in the subsequent time. All right, so once again, what we are considering today is how to start making money online with Huge platform. Start making money online with Huge platform. So what is Huge platform? For that reason, let me take you to the platform now. So, okay, this is Huge platform here. So many people have been making money online through this platform, and in which I personally, I am I'm a witness to it. Okay, so this is how it goes. So there are several packages there. There are several packages there that you can go for based on your own financial strength. So the least package here is 900 naira, and even this 900 naira, it is free of charge. Whenever you get registered, you get this one free. It is free of charge, and I want to tell you confidently that you can earn up to 30% of your capital on daily basis. And in this platform, you are not buying any package, or let me say that you are buying packages for on daily terms. Okay, so let me explain to you how it goes. But the first thing that you need to know is that you need to register, and for you to register, I get you covered. So just check below this video. You are going to see the description box there. You will find in it the registration link so that you can join my team and earn faster. Okay, so just check the description box of this video down for the registration link. Get registered and make sure that you keep your registration information secured in case of intruders. And after you have done that, you'll be directed to where to download the app. Maybe you are using Apple product, or you are using Android device rather. So you'll be directed to Google Play Store so that you can download the app and get started immediately. So after your successful registration, you'll be given 900 naira. So the 900 naira will be used like this. So it will be, you just need to click on it, but this is not where the money is. For instance, we have the 900 package, which will earn you 4,000. Sorry, the 900 naira package. The 900 package, it will earn you 447 naira daily. For that of 4,000 naira package, it will earn you 972 naira daily, and that of the 12,000 package is going to earn you 3,110 naira daily. Then that of 35,000 naira package, it will earn you 10,000 naira daily. That of level 5, which is 100k, it will earn you 30,780 naira daily. And that of the 300k, it will earn you 98,820 naira daily. And that of 900,000 naira will earn you 315,900 naira daily. The last one, which is the biggest package, is 2.7 million naira. It will earn you 1,006,000 naira, 60,020 naira daily. So here you are earning almost 30% of your capital. And I don't want to call it capital because you can withdraw your money anytime. Your money is not fixed here. It's not fixed here. So it is on daily basis. You can decide to invest today, to go for a package today, and tomorrow you can decide to withdraw everything. So your money is not stocked in, okay? Your money is not stocked in this site. You can withdraw your money at any time. All right. Sorry for the distraction, please. You can withdraw your money at any time. All right. So the next thing for you to do after you have successfully registered is that you need to top up. Though you are given naira for registration, so for you to top up, the product. So you need to top up after you have successfully registered. You need to top up. So for you to top up, that is for you to deposit based on the package that you want to go for. Just click on top up here. So you click on top up button here. So when you click on top up, so then you are going to input, you are going to tick the transfer. Then you input the amount that you wish to top up. Let's say you want to go for the package of the 2.7 million naira, 2.7 million naira. So even after this, after you have successfully, okay, even by topping up like up to 2.7 million naira, you are going to get 1,080,000 GEC. So in total, what you'll be getting in total is now 3,780 naira. So there is a reward for topping up at every time. And you also want to go for that of the USDT, just click on coin recharging. Then when you select USDT, then you select the network, which is TRC20. Then you copy this link, this address here, rather, this USDT address. Then you copy it, then you send the funds to this particular address. So just make sure that it is TRC20 USDT. So that is how to top up. So, and after you have done that, it will reflect in your account in a very short period of time. So the next thing for you to do after you have successfully top up is to click on any of the package here. So for instance, let's assume, for example, let me click on the 900 package. So when you click on the 900 package, then it will give you two options: top up and receive. You now click on receive orders. But so when you click on receive orders, it will bring you 18 orders that you need to click. You need to claim it every day. It is 18. So you just need to continually click on it so that it will be completed. For it to be completed, as you can see now, the order for today has been completed. So I have completed 18 out of 18 orders. So, and I earned 149 naira for this, for the completion. So it now depends on the package that you go for. It will determine how much you'll be earning on daily basis. And this is how many people have been making money online. I have many people that are making thousands of naira every day, and they are withdrawing every day. And another sweet thing about this is that you can withdraw the minimum of 1,000 naira. You can withdraw your money and it will reflect within 24 hours. So it's very sweet, and this is the best time for you to join if after you have done your own due diligence and research and you found that it's what you can give it a try. So just need to start now, because whenever you are engaging into online investment platform, it deals with timing. So you just need to be among the early birds so that you will enjoy what you enjoy on time before anything happen to this. So you just need to be smart, you need to be wise, you need to be to decide on time, and you should be less greedy. So that is what I'm going to advise you concerning this. So this is financial educational content that I've shared with you, and if you think that it is everyone is entitled to his own opinion. So but these are a few ways whereby I personally have been making money online, and I think it's worth sharing with you guys. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, this is Lasogenic BIZZTALK. If you have any question concerning this video or any of the contents on this channel, then you can feel free to browse through my Sorry, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp, join our Telegram channel, because I use the medium to show you some other ways where you can make money online. Okay, and you can make your view to be known through the comment box of this video as well. So I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. All right, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.